So Gamma.app can be very useful for anyone that want to create a beautiful looking presentation. But unfortunately, this app platform can be limited for people that are not in the Plus or Pro subscription. So right now it's going to cost you $8 per month if you want to get more credits. But is there any other way for a free user to get more credits on Gamma.app? Well, there is one way. So this platform actually has something called referral plan that lets you invite people to this platform, and when they sign up, you will get 200 extra credits, and the person that signed up will also receive the same amount of credits on your behalf, basically. So if you click on this credits menu, it will open this window message. You can navigate to refer a friend and then copy the link, and then you can essentially share the link to anyone, and when they sign up, both of you will receive extra credits. So I'll try to open a new incognito window and I'll give you a quick demonstration. Basically, they have to open the website via your link, otherwise you won't receive any benefit from it. And let me show you a quick example. So you will see this message: you have been referred to Gamma, sign up to earn extra 200 AI credits. They'll see this message and they can sign up using email or using a Google account. It's up to them, and you will receive the credits. Now you can use your other email to get extra credit, and that's totally fine. And you can also use something called email alias. So let me give you an example here. I will try to use my email, which is the same email I use on my main Gamma account, but I can create another account using the same email. So what you need to do is that you have to create alias for this email. I will add the plus sign at the end of the email name, and I'm going to call this alias maybe alias 1, something like that, and then click continue with email. Now I have to verify the email. So again, this is actually the same email but different alias. I can still go back, I can still open my Gmail account, and you will see that I will receive the verification from Gamma. Please verify your email address. Let me open this, and I'm going to just copy the link and I'm going to open it on this incognito window. And just wait. Okay, it's asking me email. Well, I guess it's called John, and then Do, language English, password. Well, I'm not so sure about the password, but I guess I'm going to use password generator. I'm not going to be using this account, by the way. This is purely for a demonstration, and there is an ethical reason to actually not abuse the system. So yeah, honestly, I'm not really recommending this method unless if you have to. I still recommend to just subscribe to the Plus or Pro plan, especially if the tool is worth it. But again, this is for educational purposes. So let me just create a new passport and then we can continue with the account. Okay, and paste, continue. All right, awesome. So let me just continue again. It doesn't really matter. Continue again, continue again. All right, so let's go back to the home page, or maybe not. Well, I guess I have to follow the instruction here. I cannot go back. Okay, I have to create a presentation basically to complete the process. Okay, I think this is going to take quite a while, but if you actually go back to your Gamma account, you'll see that now I got 200 extra credit. It used to be just 240, but now it's becoming 440 credits, which is really nice. I could use it to generate a few more presentations. So you can use this technique, but again, I still recommend to just pay for the Plus or Pro subscription, especially when this tool is helping you a lot. Anyway, I hope you found this video to be useful, and thank you so much for watching. I wish to see you on my next video. Have a great day.